Have you ever wondered which is better for your online security? Today, we're diving into Yubikey versus Passkey. Both tools help keep your account safe, but they do it in different ways. YubiKey is a physical device that you plug into your computer or use with your phone. Passkey, on the other hand, is a digital solution that stores your login information securely. Let's start with YubiKey. This little gadget is compact and easy to carry. It uses two-factor authentication, meaning you need it along with your password to log in. It's very reliable and works with many services from email to social media. Plus, it's tough and built to last. Now, let's look at Passkey. This is software based and doesn't require any physical device. It stores your passwords securely in the cloud. You can access your accounts from any device as long as you have your master password. It's convenient and user friendly, especially for those who don't want to carry extra items. When it comes to key differences, YubiKey requires you to have the device on hand. Passkey allows you to log in from anywhere as long as you remember your master password. In terms of features, YubiKey offers strong security with its hardware component. Passkey focuses on convenience and ease of access, making it great for users who are always on the go. As for pricing, YubiKey usually requires a one-time purchase, while Passkey is often free or included with your existing services. So, who should choose what? If you want top-notch security and don't mind carrying a device, go for YubiKey. If you prefer convenience and access from anywhere, Passkey might be the right choice for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content.